Kambi kunyamula mar Amlight Resources Limited kwano lal manengone dirom siling milion 30 bang' monj ma otime kambino mantiere Rieda e kaunti ma Siaya. Kweth ji mamoko ma ichich ni oor mondo mi otim maundu ma kamano. No monjo kar kambino e kar saa 7 mar otieno kendo ne gimonjo chuk dar marito kanyo kapok gitwegi kendo ketho mwandu. Ne giketho tingni ma itiyo gode kar dag mulano, tingni ma kunyo ma nengogi ok tin ne milion 16.5. Mano e monj mar 6 ma otimne kambino e thuolo mar kochakore dwe mar 1 higani. Okil mar kambino Dansan Omari okuongo monjno ma otimore jumbe 2 tok ka monj machielo notim kanyo.
An attack was occasioned. Several goons jumped over the fence using ladders from outside. They got hold of the 4 guards who were present, tied them with ropes. Then they broke the main gate, came in. They carried jerrycans of petrol, broke the driver's window, poured petrol on it, and put fire on it.
Every time anavamia mali yangu hapa. Napeleka kesi kotini, hakuna hatua inachukuliwa. Kila wakati wamesaidi na yeye. So I'm wondering, am I not a Kenyan citizen? Nimenyamaza mpaka hata naulizwa na community. Wewe umenyamaza tu unafanya hivi. Because now, what am I going to do? Because nimechukua direction inafaa. I'm not happy for what happened. Hii imechomwa hapa. Hii ni vitu nimechukua kwa loan.
And I saw them. They were people whom I know. I know them by names. What they tell us there, that very soon, we are coming to burn all those things that are there. They came the way they say.